Hi, my name is Richard Vongphrachanh. I am a field service technician at PowerSecure. Basically, that includes everything from doing preventive maintenance, inspections, all the way to emergency ER calls, repairs, and just regular service calls. When you arrive on site at a customer site where the facility has no power, there's a decent amount or large amount of people that are sitting there waiting for you specifically to get them back online. And you're basically the only person that's standing in between the facility being down and back in operation. So being able to go there and get them back online and back in production, it's a good feeling. You kind of feel a little bit like a superhero, because like when you pull in, there are people standing there waiting for you to do your job, and there's a lot of pressure, but it's also very rewarding when you get it figured out and you're able to help them. There are so many opportunities here at PowerSecure. Just because you join here in one role doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be in that role forever. PowerSecure is growing rapidly. There's so many positions here. I think one thing that people really need to know at PowerSecure to be a service technician is that it requires you to be motivated, because what we do is important. It requires you to want to better yourself and push yourself to learn new things. PowerSecure is not going to put you out there. They're not going to invest in you and not make sure that you're ready to do your job.